we too can. Yes, we too can. This is a movement started by me to encourage the challenged people in sports. Can you please tell me why this too? This too is to show that uh, society is thinking that these physically challenged people, they can't participate in wherever physical activity is required, like sports, dance, whatever you think. And even the differently abled community, they are also thinking that all these things are not for us, we have to be away from them, like that they are thinking. But it's not the case. It is possible. Can you please tell me how it is possible? Yes, it is possible. I want to tell you, starting with my story, how I achieved that one. I wanted to share with you. For the last 5 years, I am with Standard Chartered Scope International. After joining here, after 7 8 months, slowly I developed back pain and muscle weakness. I was not able to sit even for 10 15 minutes. Even then, somehow I tried to do all my routine. But one day came and the other day fully collapsed. I was not able to do anything. Then I went to a one renowned orthopedic surgeon in Chennai. He suggested me spinal surgery because my spine is bent is more, and because of that I was getting that much pain. So he suggested me spinal surgery. When I inquired about the chances of success, he told that he can't give any assurance on that aspect. Then my parents and myself were in great distress, and because of pain, physical weakness, and also because of doctors, entire thing, all these things put together make me full into thrown into depression condition. Even my parents position also like that. At that stage I thought of thinking about alternatives, because surgery we don't want to go. Then we thought of alternatives. At that time my friend suggested Dr. Anand Jyoti's name. When I went to him, he suggested some exercises. Along with that, he suggested me hydrotherapy.
She came to me in the year 2007 with chronic back pain, and her main difficulty is only sitting for a long time. Being a manager in a Standard Chartered Bank company, she could not sit for a long time. And in our clinic, we did a complete evaluation for her, like musculoskeletal manipulative physiotherapy we given as a rehabilitation program. We gave a lot of postural training, strengthening, and walking training, other training we gave. But after a few weeks, we included hydrotherapy as a treatment for Miss Madhavi. Initially, we started as a therapeutic just to improve her health, and she developed very personal interest on, and she enjoyed swimming. Initially, few days I helped her, and coaches helped her. Now she is independent on her own, and she is now giving counseling to many people, and she is mentally become more fit, and her performance in the office highly improved now. And dependence level at home, she is more independent now. Previously she used to depend on her parents and friends. Now she's dependency level is highly reduced now, and this kind of hydrotherapy will be highly beneficial for people like muscular dystrophy and childhood like a cerebral palsy with a good mental status, and for stroke people and spinal cord injury and other sports injury people highly benefited. And today morning we are discussing about obesity, people with the overweight also it is highly beneficial. And the benefit of hydrotherapy, when you get inside the water as a physically challenged person, the body weight will be taken over by water, like we call this a term called buoyancy. So once the body weight is reduced, people walking on the ground will be difficult with the weak muscles, but inside the water people can walk easily as on the floor as a able bodied people, and they will discover more movement inside the water when compared to moving in the land. and also being a hydrotherapy, people definitely enjoy being inside the water. It is not only exercise, they will be more enjoying than doing exercise on the land.
First day when I came to this pool, I came with so many doubts whether I will be able to enter into the water safely or whether I will be able to do exercises or not. With so many doubts, even for me and for my parents and my siblings, more doubts. After that, we came and my doctor also came along with us. We tried in that baby pool, and there I was able to enter and I did some exercises. So, really, it's a great achievement for me on that day because for since my childhood I love to enter into water, but all my parents, everybody used to tell, no, it is dangerous for you, don't enter, like that. So, first time in my life, at the age of 37 years, I could enter into the pool. And 3 days we did some exercises. After that, I moved to this big pool with a float. Floater means it's like a tube, and I wear it. With that help, I can move underwater using my hands and legs. So slowly, after some time, I'm I was a little bit confident, and with that I was able to move from that corner to this corner. Coming to this, that is 4 feet, here 5 feet and 6 feet. Going to 6 feet is at that time it's an achievement because my parents were having so many apprehensions. They used to say, don't go that side, be in this 4 feet side, like that. But I always wanted to do adventures, so slowly I moved that side. At that time, that was an achievement. After some time, I got confidence, but my parents were not confident. I made them to have confidence with by removing that tube. I wanted to do swimming. So after some time, I could convince them also. After that, I removed that tube and started swimming on my own without any support like floating devices or anything. So that is the next second achievement. When I started these exercises and also swimming, at that time itself, I was able to observe the benefits like relief from pain. That is the first thing, and mentally lot of relaxation. And yeah, actually at that time I was under lot of depression because of that pain, weakness, all these things. But whenever I came for swimming, I'm able to understand that some type of happiness. My mood also become active, like that. So after some time, I was able to understand so many benefits like my sitting posture. I was able to sit for long hours also, and my movements also became very more improvement is there in my movements. After some time, one day I saw one notification in our office about participation in corporate Olympiad. In that, swimming event is also there. Then I thought, why shouldn't I try? Immediately I gave my name and I participated. When I participated in corporate Olympiad in aquatic complex in Velacheri, it's an international pool, 50-meter length and around 11 to 12 feet depth. So when I was able to participate in before that night also, so many doubts whether I would be able to swim in that pool also or not. That was some doubt. But when I was able to participate successfully in that international standard pool, that is an euphoric state. It's not normal happiness. And even for the audience also, it's a wonderful experience for them. They never saw a person like me swimming, that too in that type of a big pool. And in that, organizers, they gave me an award, most encouraging sports person. So that was the first moment in my life as being recognized as a sports person. And this year also I participated and I could get a bronze medal in 100-meter freestyle. And after observing all these benefits and also being recognized as a sports person, that I never thought in my life. but that happened after crossing 40 years. So, and not only I don't want to stop with that. I want to participate in Paralympics. Paralympics, I think all of you might be knowing, that is like Olympics is for normal people, Paralympics is for the challenged people. They can participate in different types of sports events. So that is also right now, that is my dream, to participate and to show other, to set an example for others. They can also participate in such type of sports events. So after seeing all the benefits, after starting the swimming, my backside I have a hump. That size was more earlier. Now if you observe, that hump size is reduced. Even this side I didn't have muscles, that much muscles are not there. Even muscle building also is there. This right side in my stomach, I could observe that muscles, and even I could observe the strength in my muscles and mental relaxation. All these things, after observing all these things, I wanted to share with this my fellow physically challenged people.
I always feel tired in the evenings and feel always when some kind of tiredness. I felt that being disabled and not doing any exercise always difficult to be fit. So I thought I was looking badly some exercise to do. Wherever I go, I was not advised right exercise to do. Then I met Madhavi. She suggested swimming is an option. So I started enrolling here and started coming for last 1 month. I feel extremely free and relaxed and no pressure, and I feel like I'm light now. So every day I make sure that I come here and do the exercise for 1 hour. So it's an excellent opportunity. It makes you get best exercise and you relieve all your pains. I think anybody who is like me, I think it is important to be fit. Meet your doctor, go nearest swimming pool, just start getting doing this.
When I tell about benefits of hydrotherapy, I must mention about my friend Sundari, who is working as a sub editor in a leading newspaper, and she is enjoying a lot when she is underwater. She is able to walk, she is able to move her legs and hands, and she is enjoying a lot. All these things are very difficult for her to do on the land.